Quick update for installing IMVU Toolkit for Blender on 4.4. So of course we need to be downloading the toolkit, so we want to go to create.imvu.com, and on the page that appears, scroll down and we have the IMVU Toolkit download button. Click on this. It will download a zip file that will be saved to your computer. Once you've done that, in Blender, so again 4.4, we want to be in Edit, Preferences, and in Preferences we want Add-ons, and here we want to click on the little More Options button, or arrow, down arrow, Install from Disk, browse to the location the file is downloaded to, Blender Toolkit. Do not extract or do anything other than selecting the zip file. We need to install the toolkit intact. Enable on install, everything else is okay, and then just click install from disk. That will install the plugin, and because of the option that was selected, it will be active. If it's not, just click on the checkbox to activate it. Let's just expand this to see what's going on. So this is the file path, and that's the toolkit installed. So if we now close this and we go into View, Sidebar, this is where the toolkit lives. There is the toolkit, and all we need to do is just click on and load up one of the tools. So create furniture, and that will drop in the furniture template. So that's installing the toolkit for Blender 4.4.